Now in this video I will do slow jogging. That is very good for fitness. Then I will do some kind of pranayama and some kind of asana. So kindly enjoy the session. This is your servant, adventure rider, Pandit, Fakir Yogi, Brendra Yogi. There are a lot of adjectives here. Adventure rider you see in front of you is V.S. Strom. This is adventure bike. And Pandit is who loves all. That is the meaning of Pandit. Pandit, he is the wisest who love all, who never hate anyone, who have never barricaded anybody in the different zone. Love and affection, kindness, compassion. And yogi means very dedicated, committed, passionate, karma yogi. Believe in action, not in any external forces. No God, no Allah, no Jesus, nothing. You alone, yourself, are the maker of your fate. You are the master of your fate and you are the captain of your soul. You have the absolute control on your thoughts. And your thought, if it is really saturated, you can really command every condition, circumstances, everything in life. You have no direct control on the conditions and circumstances, but you have control on your mind. And if your mind is well controlled, directed towards all the pure thoughts, indirectly you can control your fate, your destiny, your circumstances. The world is your kaleidoscope, and the varying forms of color it presents to you at every successive moment are exquisitely adjusted pictures of your own even thoughts. This is the true meaning, dear friends. Control your thought, control your mind, and then you will be what you will to be. Be patient, persevere, persist. You have conquered space and time. You means the mankind. Now conquer your mind and make the world a better place for everyone. Peace, love and non-violence. No war, no hate, no greed. No boom of the explosion of the population. You cannot train them. They become terrorists, criminals. They become greedy and selfish and corrupt people. That is the responsibility of the leader to train their citizens to become like me, God Master Radha Buddha. Thank you, viewers.